What's up, you guys? We are in the parking garage. I took my first batch at 4:53 a.m. I don't usually take batches this early, but we're gonna try to kill it today. So I'm gonna pop in my car real quick and head over to CVS. What is up, you guys? Welcome back, or welcome if you guys are new to my channel. My name is Matthew. Welcome to Friday. So far, I have knocked out 2 batches this morning. I did not plan on getting going at 4:50 a.m., but I went online at that time and the CVS batch was just sitting there. He is a great repeat of mine. He always increases the tip, not just for me, but for a lot of my friends as well. So he increased the tip, and I think the first order went to like 45 or something like that. And then I just dropped off that Vaughn's order, which was 15 bucks. I dropped it off in Point Loma, but I decided to come to PD Sprouts. So I'm here at Sprouts right now. Hopefully they have a decent Friday morning drop. I don't see anybody in the parking lot that I know, so maybe I'll get lucky and get something good. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing week, whatever week you're watching this, and I'll let you guys know if I see a Sprouts drop or whenever I pick up my next order. Okay, I picked up a double store 65 triple. It's 2 small orders here at Sprouts, and then I get to go shop a 45 item order at Ralph's, but that's a single, so it should be easy. So I'm gonna blow through this, jump over to Ralph's, and knock this out. It should be an easy order. So I put one of our Sprouts orders right here, and the other is right here in the back seat, leaving room for the Ralph's order. So let's go shop the order at Ralph's. Okay, they haven't opened a register yet, so I have to, gotta bag all this in the car real quick. I wanted to hurry up and bag it near the car because there was people waiting behind me. Alright, so that one went really good. I just finished dropping off customer B. They had me drop off in different orders just based on the delivery and probably the time the order was supposed to be delivered. So that Ralph's order carried us. It should have just been a Ralph single. She was tipping literally the majority, like 99% of the tip. Customer A was tipping like $2, and customer B, which was a coffee shop, who ordered 24 quarts of milk, or whatever it is, 24 things of milk, tipped $1. This is not the first coffee shop that I've seen tip $1. I think it's super insulting to tip $1. Like, if anything, just don't tip me at all, because I feel like $1 is more insulting than 0. So I may or may not leave them a Yelp review. Venting is over. That ended up being a 72, so it put us over $130 before 9:30. It did take a little bit longer, but you know, we had 2 shops at Sprouts, and we had to drive to Ralph's, had another 50 items. Probably gonna hit up Costco soon if I don't get anything good. So I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next order. All right, we picked up a 64, only batch I saw. This is gonna put me at like 198. It's 40 items. Apparently I took it from one of my buddies, but he picked up a 69 for 17 items, so I don't think he's that mad. All right, grabbing these boxes, gonna head in, get this work. The drop-offs are very close, so that is a plus. right, we just dropped off B. I've had customer A, and she tipped 16 and change on 4 items. She tipped extremely well. The second lady who had the majority of the items, she had like 35 or something items. She tipped me 30 flat. So still not bad at all. Pretty decent split. Also from the Ralph's Sprouts double store order I did earlier, the Ralph's lady increased it by 10. So the main tipper on that order just increased the tip. I'm not sure if you guys noticed this pattern, but when people are good tippers, they are more likely to tip you more than the people who tip very low. For example, after you deliver to somebody that tips really well, they're just more likely to increase the tip. They're generous if you did a good job, opposed to the people that tip like $1 or $2. In my opinion, that's just them abusing the platform and abusing us, since they're not showing us appreciation for what we do. Because I tell everybody, this job is a tip-based job. This is a service industry job, and Instacart's batch pay is not the very best, so a lot of times we rely on good tips. So I dropped off very close to Costco. I'm actually like 2 minutes away from Costco right now. I figure why not go back, see if it has one more for me. So with the orders I've done today, that put me at 206, and it's about 11:15 right now. So heading back to Costco, hopefully they have something for me soon. I can't be sitting all day. My goal is to get to 300 as fast as possible, since I already cleared 2. And I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next order. So it's been a pretty discouraging afternoon right now. It is almost 2 o'clock. I just ran at 12 because it was 9 items, and I thought, hey, maybe I'll get a good add-on. No add-on, not even one offer, but that put me at 219. Still a great number for the time of the day. Not exactly sure where I should go right now. Costco wasn't really good to me on the second round, but hopefully something comes in soon. I've talked to a lot of guys, and a lot of guys are struggling, not seeing anything. So I'll figure out where I go, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I pick up my next batch. All right, we just picked up this 70. I'll show you guys on the screen. From Claremont, I was charging and I lost a 75, so I was pretty disappointed in that, especially after running a 12 with no add-on. But this is a solid order. I believe one is a repeat. It's going to be a little bit of work, but customer A only has like 6 items, so it should be a pretty easy shop, and then the rest is basically, you know, customer B. So I'm gonna head up, grab a flat, and get this guy going. Was not wrong. That did take a little bit of time, but it was a very good order. They had just moved into that house on customer B. She said they moved in last Thursday. Customer A, they were visiting from somewhere because the sign on the door said something about Airbnb rental. So right now I'm at 285. It is 420, and I'm not exactly sure where I'm gonna go, you guys. I could go down the coast into PB. I could get back on the freeway and hit Costco again. It's been a really strange week, so I'm not exactly sure what is going to work. Today, Costco has been working pretty good. I've gotten 2 very solid batches out of there. But the last thing I want to do right now is sit and wait somewhere for a long time. So hopefully I can get something soon. Hopefully volume picks up a little bit, and I'll let you guys know as soon as I get my next batch. All right, guys, back to Marina, and we picked up another batch. Very good batch, very close. And I just parked, so this is perfect. Some days I'll come here, sit for 2 hours, not see a batch over 20, but today it's actually working for me, so I'm gonna roll with it. just dropped off customer B. Very nice lady. She came out. I asked if she wanted some help in with the waters because she had 6 waters, and she told me that she would be able to handle it herself. Love a strong, independent woman. So that one put me at 356 on the day. It is 5:35. Besides a few stalls today where we didn't get anything, today has been a very good day. I should be able to get to 400, and fingers crossed, if a couple things go right, maybe 500. Since it's still pretty early and Costco has been feeding me pretty good orders, I am going to go back there. Trust me though, you guys, I would take a batch from another store. I'm not just going to Costco because I think that's the only store that can feed me right now. There have been plenty of days where I sit at Costco and other stores toss me orders and I don't do a single Costco batch the entire day. Today is weird. A lot of people are not having a good day, which is super unfortunate because we thought today was going to be good. This has been a slow week, but hopefully this means that we're going to have a busy weekend. So I'm heading back to Costco, you guys. I'm going to lock in, hopefully catch another batch that maybe can set me over 400, and I'll let you guys know as soon as that comes in. You guys, after an hour of waiting, I pick up this 98 Vaughn's Garnet. All day I haven't seen anything good in PB or in Claremont, so I'm going to grab a cart, run in. This is a double. Majority of the items are for one of my repeat customers, so I'm going to get right to it. All right, you guys, that last one put me at 477. Customer A is an amazing repeat. She added a lot of stuff while I was shopping, and the order went up to 115. However, customer B left me a 0 tip. That just comes with the job, right? Like, we can't do anything about it. It is what it is. I'm happy that Stephanie was able to take care of the tip. What an amazing batch. I just picked up a 31 Gelson's double that is going towards my apartment. I figure this puts me over 500 and I get paid to go home, so why not take it? It's only 19 items, so I'm gonna run in and run through this and hopefully drop this off within 45 minutes. Just waiting on this caviar. The key. It's our last item. Alright, so see this building right here? That was where I dropped off, and I can probably see my apartment from here. That is my apartment. So, 2 blocks. Alright guys, I'm gonna head back over to the apartment, give you the breakdown and final numbers. Alright you guys, we made it back to the pad. It took me a full 3 minutes to get up to my apartment. 9 batches today. I'm extremely grateful for each and every one. I actually didn't think I was gonna hit 500 until I got that 98 Vaughn's that turned into a 118. That lady that didn't tip me actually added $3, so I appreciate her for doing that. I don't have food here, so I'm gonna walk to get some food. It's Friday night, there should be some places open. Hopefully you guys found this video both entertaining as well as found some value. Please let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions about my day or how I go about my weeks. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching the video, supporting the channel. It really means a lot to me. So I'm gonna throw the numbers up on the screen of the breakdown of my day. I'm gonna go get some food. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.